Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to tap on apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's tap on see all apps, and then three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What is more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in the ZTE device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.